English is everywhere. Am I right? English is not only in offices, or English is not only confined in school, colleges, or universities. Now English has become our daily life. The way that we live, the way that we see, the way that we feel, the way that we want to understand everything, English plays very important and very crucial role. अंग्रेजी का जो रोल है, अगर कहा जाए तो अभी ये अंग्रेजों की जमाना है. Not अंग्रेज means those the rulers, but those they able to speak in English, those they communicate in English. This world is for them. if you want to if you want to collect the information, if you want to extend your business, or if you are a student, if you want to appear the exam, or if you are a housewife, if you are a shop owner, if you are a somebody in the contemporary world and you want to update yourself, then English is necessary and English is mandatory. अंग्रेजी अंग्रेज के बिना you can't do anything. That's what English is everywhere. From where you will avoid, आप कहाँ से इसको नकारेंगे? From where you will tell no, 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 no. English is everywhere. You have to believe that. If you are unable to speak in English, it is the not final decision of yours. कभी ना कभी आपने सोचा होगा, कभी ना कभी आपने आपके मन में ये आया होगा कि मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना है. If not that, if you are a parents, then you must be wondering that your son entering in school and learning English, and you expect them to speak in English fluently. What does that mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? कहीं ना कहीं you and English as a connection. You and English as a relation. That's what this video will help you, my friends. ये वीडियो आपको मदद करेगा. क्या मदद करेगा? Let me give you few important and vital process or thinkings that I'm going to serve you. Just watch the video till end and you will get to know that. If something is entered in our दिमाग, अगर हमारे दिमाग में कुछ चीजें आया है, it is very difficult to remove it. अगर खास तौर पे अगर ज्यादा दिन दिमाग में आपने रख लिया, ज्यादा दिन आपने दिमाग में सोच लिया, then इसको नकारना very impossible. That means very difficult. It is not possible. How you can manage it? एक बाजू है आप चाहते हैं, एक बाजू आप सीखना चाहते हैं, बोलना चाहते हैं, but one thing is that you are not aware of that, or there were no opportunity, or lack of process, or lack of guide, or lack of information. That's still you are unable to speak, but in your heart, आपके हार्ट बीट में अंग्रेजी भाषा के प्रति जो प्रेम है, अंग्रेजी भाषा का जो इन्फ्लुएंस है, ऑलरेडी you have understood and you have tested. That is the very important thing, that you have a आपके मन में, आपके हृदय में अंग्रेजी की प्रति प्रेम है, then why not to make it possible? इसको क्या मैं थिंकिंग में सोचना है, या इसको हमें क्या रिग्रेट ही करने के लिए, इसको हमें क्या रिग्रेट ही करना है क्या? नो. The best option is that what we are going to do in this video is that the journey I will take you to thinking to determination. What is that mean, thinking to determinations? Many occasions we think that हम ये सोचते हैं कि मुझे अंग्रेजी सीखना है, अंग्रेजी सीखना है, अंग्रेजी बोलना है, अंग्रेजी के द्वारा जो सारे बेनिफिट्स जो हमें मिलता है, उन सभी चीज़ों को हम आकलन करते हैं. एंड वी स्टेप आउट, हम स्टेप आउट भी करते, बट वी आर अनेबल टू रीच to the destination. That means we are unable to achieve the goals. उस गोल को हमने अचीव नहीं किया है. That's what learning destination will help you. That's what you are here to, not just to listen and to put all this process in simultaneous, एक के बाद एक किस तरह हम अपने अंग्रेजी सीखने का जर्नी को हम सक्सेस की तरफ हम कैसे ले सकते हैं. इट इज नॉट अ शॉर्टकट मेथड और इट इज नॉट सिक्के की जैसे आपने इसे उड़ाया, आपने उसको ऊपर छलांग लगाने के लिए सिक्के को फेंका और वहां पे निर्णय हो जाता है whether you will able to speak in English or not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter your background. It doesn't matter from which background you belongs. It doesn't matter you are rich, poor, you are woman, you are housewife. It doesn't matter. Only one thing you need to have, that is determination. What does that mean, determination? Anyhow, this uh, thing is I'm going to do it. मुझे करना है, मैंने ठान लिया है, मैंने कमिटमेंट किया है, मैंने खुद से वादा किया है. That is called determination. And this video will help you, and I'm going to take you from thinking to determination, because once you have determined, once you have decided, then yes, definitely आज नहीं तो कल, आज नहीं तो कल. If not today, that doesn't mean it will be never. If not today, definitely tomorrow, kal, you will be able to speak in English. That could be a possibility. That's what very, very simple ways that I'm going to talk. Very simple ways that I'm going to share. Of you have to pay your attention. आपको सुनना है, ध्यान देना है, and you have to work on that so that your English learning journey will become easy and memorable. As this is mine, and I love to tell you that English learning is not difficult and it is not impossible. Here I am to make your English learning easy and memorable. If you are following me, then you might have watched a few videos. That's if you are new, then please subscribe so that you can get notification, and important updates will be given to you, and you will able to speak in English. That's my dream again. Those they are following me, those they are watching this video, and I hope that you are not going to leave. You are not going to live a life of regret. That I can't speak in English. You can speak in English. That's let us step out and hear some of steps that I'm going to talk. I'm going to help you to thinking to determination. एक सोच से कैसे एक निर्णय, एक सोच से कैसे एक हमने जो ठान लेते. That's the process I'm going to talk in this video. First is that clarify your thoughts. You have to clarify your thoughts. It's very important that though the thinking is there, जो एक सोच एक विचारधारा है, but we need to clarify it, our thoughts. उस सोच में से काफी सारे सोच में से वो जो अंग्रेजी बोलना या अंग्रेजी में बोलने की इच्छा की जो थॉट्स है उसको आपको क्लैरिफाई करना है, आइडेंटिफाई करना है what you are thinking about, and clarify your thoughts. Be specific and be precise. आपको बहुत precise और specific होना है. Really, you want to speak in English? ये really you're not affected by English? या आपकी अंग्रेजी की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है? अगर अंग्रेजी की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, it's fine, okay. You can even leave this videos till here. आपने जो भी देखा, you can leave, and you're not supposed to watch करके why you want to waste your time. आप क्यों अपने समय को बर्बाद करेंगे? But if you are a true learner, if you are a true to yourself, if you have wish and if you want to speak in English, then it is very important that you need to have a very clear thoughts. You need to be very specific and a very precise. That yes, मेरा जो सोच जो एक्सीडेंटल नहीं है, इतने दिनों से जो मैंने सोचा है इंग्लिश में बात करने की, ये कभी एक्सीडेंटल नहीं है. It is there in my mind, and it is there, and you have to magnify. उसको को बड़ा करना है, बड़ा करना है. That means that there is a possibility, and that possibility, how it we have to reach, उस possibility में कैसे हमें जाना है. Second thing is that what you have to do, set clear goals. वो जो goal जो आपको set करना है, वो जो specific और measurable, achievable, relevant और time bound एक goal को आपको set करना है. Set goals. Setting goals is very important. That's what does that mean? Setting goals mean measurable, achievable and relevant और time bound उसको होना है. And in my English English and soft skill classes, what I offer is that I commit them to make them speak in English in 3 months. It is a time bound and very specifically and measurable ways that I help them. I develop the course that how they have to speak in English. That is, those they are coming to me, जो अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए आते हैं, उसके लिए I help them to them. But if you're away from me, or if you are not able to connect with me and the classes or in my process, but you can do yourself. आप खुद से आप एक गोल को आप सेट कर सकते हैं, और उस गोल को कैसे सेट करना है, दैट हैज टू बी मेजरेबल, अचीवेबल एंड रिलेवेंट उसके होना है, अंग्रेजी के साथ रिलेवेंट होना है. और आपने जो एक थॉट्स को जो क्लियर किया है, एक थॉट जो आपने अपने मन में रखा है, दैट हैज टू बी वेरी क्लियरली, दैट्स उस थॉट के आधार पे व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू सेट गोल्स. इफ यू ओनली आपके दिमाग में ही है, आपने उसको गोल सेट नहीं किया है, देन डेफिनेटली दैट विल वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर यू, क्योंकि वो सोच तो है ऑलरेडी आपके दिल में कि यू वांट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. दैट्स व्हाई let me talk about that. Set clear goals, and on the step is that pros and cons you have to think, that you have to weigh. यानी आप जो भी स्टेप लेने वाले हैं, the considerable advantages and disadvantages, you have to know that. Professionals, those they comes to me for classes, that's when I encourage them to speak, when I talk them to speak in English, many occasions they think that the advantages and disadvantages, the fear factors they rises, that खुद से वो डर नहीं है, they want to speak in English, they enroll their name, but a lot of things they calculated, and their calculation, the negative or the negative things weighs more. उनकी नेगेटिविटी की तरफ जो है ज्यादा वे होने के कारण दे आर अनेबल टू स्टेप आउट, दे आर अनेबल टू डू इट, they are unable to express themselves, they are unable to communicate in English, because वो जो consideration जो advantages or disadvantages they hang, they want to speak in English, they enroll their name, they do all the things, but वो जो नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव चीजें उनके दिमाग को हैंग कर देता है. दैट्स व्हाट I will encourage you, that, and here to encourage you is that when you will when you will compare advantage disadvantage thing, you think about that. आप सोचिए for few minutes, you will be like a fool. आप अंग्रेजी जब बोलना शुरू करेंगे, some people they will talk about different, आपका अंग्रेजी अच्छे नहीं है, आपका these that and all things will be, and you might sometime you may face कुछ कुछ ऐसे commands, the negativity, negative बातें आप सुन सकते हैं, but don't stop there, because ahead is that someday you will speak in English very fluently. That's what, when you weigh negative and positive, or uh, when you measure it advantage and disadvantage, this is ये जो दिन है, ये जो समय है, for those they able to speak in English, जो अंग्रेजी में बोलते उनके लिए ये जमाना है, उनके लिए ये समय है. That's all. Let us move. And the very important part is that align your goal with your core values and priorities. आपकी जो priorities है, आपकी those things that you want to give a priority, consider it a valuable. Until unless आप जो भी थिंकिंग से जो क्लियर थॉट्स आपके दिमाग में आया, एक गोल आपने सेट किया, एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज के बारे में आपने सोचा, बट अनदर इम्पैक्ट इज दैट, डज इट वैल्यू, अंग्रेजी सीखना, उसमें कुछ वैल्यू है, उसमें कुछ कीमत हो सकता है. यस, डेफिनेटली. इफ यू विल एबल टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, not only you will be considered as a valuable, but whatever the things, especially when you will communicate with the people, the connections, the channels, that you will get more worldwide, you are going to connect yourself, your ideas, your thoughts, your vision, your dreams. That's the very important, that's how important nowadays to able to speak in English. You think about that, suddenly your value, आपकी value, आपकी कीमत बढ़ जाएगा. Sad thing to tell you is that, but many people, though they have a great opportunity to speak in English, due to some reason, some factors, they are unable. The fear factors, they don't have clear clarity in their thoughts. They did not have any. They did not set any goals. इवन व्हेन दे वेस्ट, जब वो सोचते हैं नेगेटिविटी की तरफ ज़्यादा बढ़ने के कारण, दे डोंट कंसिडर the one language skill, that's when English, when they will speak in English, उसकी वैल्यू, उसकी कीमत जो है वो uh, they did not thought about that right now to think about that and think about that. And the point is that visualize the success. Of course, when you will able to speak in English, when you think about yourself, you are not confined in one city, or you are not confined in one village, or you are not confined in any one specific place. Right now you are eligible and you deserve success. आपको success deserve करता है, because you can connect your thoughts, your ideas, your whatever you have in your hand, you can serve to the world. आप world को आप serve कर सकते हैं. You are not just confined in forcefully. Nothing can confine you. कोई भी चीजें आपको बांध के नहीं रख सकता. You visualize your success. When you will visualize the success, when you will see the upcoming success, it will help you strongly and you will move forward with confidence. You know, that's prior I was thinking to continue in YouTube videos, or to continue a social platform, but I couldn't able to visualize. But now I've understood that where I want to see after a few years, after a few months, is that I want to reach out. I want to reach the unreached places. I want to inspire the people how important is acquiring a communication skill. That is my success. That is how I visualize. How I visualize that while listening this video, when you implement, someday you will drop comment that's because of your video. I've increased and I have put practice and I've learned. Right now I'm able to speak in English, I'm fluency and all those things. That's when you will drop the comment, that would be my success. And I wait eagerly. I know that the day will come, because I am on the journey, not just on thinking and confining and becoming weak within myself, but my determination is to bang on social media, or and speak and put forth my ideas and concept in a social media platform that I considered that, and I visualize my success. That's very surely that I'm doing all those things. That and another is that you have to break down. Yes, you have to break down those things that's in large goals and large things. You have to break down in smaller, which will be manageable. In one day you can't speak in English. एक दिन में आप बोल नहीं सकते. But thinking to determination journey, ये जो है कि you have to break down small things. You have to break down. You have to break down those things that जो large है, जो बड़ा है. You want to get fluency, but automatically you can't get it, and within short time or short period you can't get it. That you have to put yourself in the process. That छोटे छोटे चीजों में आपको प्रोसेस में आपको रखना पड़ेगा. You have to break down those things. You have to learn vocabulary. English का जो शब्द है उनके अर्थ को आपको जानना पड़ेगा. And you have to focus on verbs का जो फॉर्म है V1, V2, V3, and you have to focus on tenses. Again, you have to focus on how to construct the sentence and part of speech and all those things you can focus it. But in initially, शुरुआती के समय में what you have to do, what you know, आपको जो भी पता है, जिन चीज़ों को आपको पता है, जो आपके दिमाग में ऑलरेडी है, those words you can use and you can start communicating. And you have to develop a step-by-step plans. Yes, you have to develop step-by-step plans. First, what you are going to do is that. Second, what you are going to do is that. And third, what you are going to do that. You have to be very sure that. Many occasions, what we do, everything we want to learn, सब कुछ एक ही बार में हमें करना चाहते हैं. That could lead to disaster. So have to step by step. First, what you're going to do is that you have to create a plan. In that plan, what you have to do, develop a systematic plans. एक के बाद एक. If you want to speak in English, first and foremost thing is that you need to have a vocabulary. आपके पास vocabulary होना बहुत ही जरूरी है. जो daily जो डेली यूज्ड vocabulary है, उठना बैठना, likhna, sunna, samajhna. These all the vocabularies in English you need to have. This could be a first task. And second, what you have to do, verbs, kriya ke bare mein you can explore. And you can explore about the name of the things, household things, or if you are in school or if you are in offices, you have to you have to take initiative and you have to know in English वो सारे इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं उसके अर्थ जो है उन चीज़ों के नाम है वेजिटेबल के नाम है you have to take steps that could very effective. That's how you have created a plan. And another very important thing is that take responsibility. What responsibility you are take, it is that you are accountable. That's I want to tell you, I encourage you is that काफी दिनों से you wanted to speak in English, काफी दिनों से you wanted to express yourself in English, but you are unable to do it. That's because you are not accountable to yourself. कोई टीचर या कोई मेंटर कोई गाइड से पहले accountable होना खुद से, it is very important. That's अकाउंट होना 24 आवर्स में आपने कितने आवर्स इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए, और जो भी आपने प्लान किया है, जो आपके क्लियर थॉट्स है, जो आपने गोल को सेट किया है, जो आपने वे किया है, आपके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स, एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज, और जो कंसिडर किया उस वैल्यू को आपने कंसिडर किया है, एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जो विजुअलाइज सक्सेस एंड यू ब्रेक इट डाउन एंड यू क्रिएट अ प्लान, बट ऑल थिंग्स टू accomplish उन सारे चीजों को सफलता के साथ करने के लिए you are the person, you have to accountable to yourself. Until unless you are putting you are becoming accountable to yourself, and it is good if you hire somebody or if you attend classes or if you go to your mentor, those they can teach you and those they can guide you regarding your English communication. You have to be very accountable. We fail many occasions that we fail to keep account. दैट्स द रीजन, दैट्स कोलैप्स हो जाता है, फिर हमारे अंग्रेजी सीखने की सपना अधूरी रह जाती है. दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू टेक द रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज. एंड अनदर पॉइंट इज द सपोर्ट सिस्टम इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वी आर मैं ह्यूमन बीइंग, हम ह्यूमन बीइंग होने के कारण हम सोच के उसको डिटर्मिनेशन तक आने के लिए आपको सपोर्ट सिस्टम की बहुत ज़रूरत है. यू नीड टू टेक अ हेल्प. Okay, you need to take help that you're surrounding with the people, with your mentor, with your friends, or whoever that's you have to take help. That's help means what? To continue to communicate with them. You can ask. There will be a lot of people, they will be talking about negative positive, it doesn't matter if that's अभी भी है हमको मदद करने वाले. One person cannot do anything, or nobody can develop himself or herself, especially when we talk about communication. चार दीवारों में यू में acquire, आप कुछ अंग्रेजी के शब्द ये अर्थ को आप acquire कर सकते हैं, but without support system it is very difficult. That you need to create a community, or you need to involve, you need to find out the community, those community that they help each other, they support each other. The support system is very important. At one home, एक ही घर में कुछ लोग अंग्रेजी बोल पाते हैं और कुछ लोग अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं पाते, because intentionally they did not support each other or they did not obey to each other. That could be the reason, but I can assure you is that there is support system you can create at home, or you can create in your neighborhood, or you can create anywhere else. That there are people that will support you, there are people that who is ready to support you, but many occasions that we fail to approach them. We think that कि हमें बिना सपोर्ट से हम कर सकते हैं, and ifs and buts, this all things we think about that, but I encourage you that find out support system. And other is action takers. कुछ भी बोलो, if you are not taking action towards all the things, and what the things you have clear thoughts, you have set a goals, you have weighed the pros and cons, and you considered these values, and you visualize the success, you have break it down, and you have clear plan, you have taken responsibility, and you have seek the supports. But action, every day you have to take actions. When you are going to get up from getting up from the bed to going to again to the bed at night, you need to take actions. Actions means what? आपको अंग्रेजी में बोलना ही है. If you are not talking, how it is possible? Who is going to talk for you? आपके लिए कौन बोलेगा? If you want to acquire English language, if you want to become a pro communicator, आप अगर अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहते, how it is possible without taking actions? That's why it is very important that action takers only deserve to speak in English. And another is that stay focused. What is the focused? What is a commitment? What is a motivation? Kind of here, I'm motivating you. I am I am here to renew your commitments. I am here to make it possible. That's you can do it, guys. You can speak. I'm giving you motivation. Come on, be motivated. Come on, get charged and start. What you're waiting? Whom you're waiting? You are the person. You have to get up. You have to take action. And what you have to do, you have to stay focused that उस अंग्रेजी को सीखने के लिए minimum 3 or 4 months you have to be seriously focus on that process, on that commitment, on that motivation that could be under the journey that we are talking about is what is today what we are going to talk, what I'm talking here is about that thinking to determination तक का जो journey है जो दिमाग में आया एक सोच उसको डिटर्मिनेशन तक कैसे लेना है उसको ठान लेना है कि I'm gonna going to do it that I'm gonna going to speak in English I'm gonna going to get fluency it is possible it is absolutely possible and be flexible sometime what it happen हम जो नियमों को बनाते जिन चीजों को बनाते we are being trapped we are unable to come out from that guys be flexible that's flexibility is very important in our life we cannot become rigid we cannot treat ourselves as a dictator हमारी सोच हमारी खुशियों का जो हिफाजत हमें खुद करनी है be open and adjusting our plans and need and requirement lot of challenges will be coming but to achieve and to walk from fear from thinking to destination तक का thinking to determine तक का जो journey है be flexible that don't take any burden इतना burden होने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है everything is possible in the practice that's what I have break it down and I have told you that's few points that's guys you put this all the points and keep in your mind and try to do it that's and drop the commands definitely हम मिल के हम कर सकते हैं will achieve will able to do it that someday you will able to speak in English fluently that is the message thank you for watching again and again like comment share and subscribe to get updated and to get notification. Thank you.